Hi.
Hi, please sit down. How are you?
Good, how are you?
On the floor or on your lap?
Oh.
Headphones first.
Oh no.
There's a folder with your name on it. Please click on it. So open the folder
Who's that?
and please click on the video that's there.
Oh my god. So my nomination is Katie. This is because she brings so much positivity, laughter and amazing energy to our team every single day. Even when all we can see is the clouds, she shows us the sunlight in a special, unique kind of way. She's motivated, she's ambitious, and her spirit is contagious. And yeah, I couldn't think of anyone else I would want to call my manager and my best friend.
الشخص اللي أنا برشحه هو روان. روان بتشتغل بالعربي كونتنت تيم عندنا. روان أكتر شخص إيجابي تعرفت عليه مش بس بنمشي بس بحياتي. من أول ما تدخل الصبح على الشغل دائما مبتسمة وبتضحك وهيك بتخلق فايب كتير فن بالأوفيس عندنا. أكتر شيء بحبه فيها إنها دائما بتحب تساعد. بمجرد ما أجي عندها أطلب منها طلب قد ما يكون عندها شغل أو هي بتكون she's busy ذلك اللي بتترك كل إشي وبتيجي بتساعدني. فأنا كتير بقدر هذا الإشي وخلقت جو هيك ألفة عنا بالفريق والبوزيتيفيتي تبعها كتير بتلهمني.
In my experience of working with Sophie, I've found her an extremely steadfast and calm person. At what Sophie does and at the team that she leads, things can get a little crazy a little too often. And she's able to keep things tied down even when pressure is piling up. I've also noticed that her good sense of humor makes her a really positive and collaborative person who's able to seamlessly work with other teams and integrate feedbacks, ideas that she receives from a variety of stakeholders and teams at Namshi.
My reason for nominating her is because she brings such passion and determination to her job every single day. That's one part of it. But the other part is, not only does she have 2 young children, but she manages to balance being a mum and raising a family and being an amazing work boss in probably one of the most toughest industries at the moment. And not only will she be a great role model for her 2 children to aspire to, but she has been a great role model for me. And thank you for showing me that you can do both.
Since I've known Ming, she's always been an overwhelmingly positive presence in the team. I was actually inducted by her on my first day and I received a very warm welcome. You could immediately tell after a single conversation with her how passionate she was. She was one of the only women in her department. It didn't really stop her from achieving her goals. It made all the sense in the world when she started her Women in Tech initiative in order to represent all the women in the region in the world of tech, making sure that all their voices are heard. And I believe it's a real inspiration to everyone around her because she's always been vocal about the things that she cares about. I'm really proud to have her in the team and as a colleague and as a good friend.
Oh, this is so sweet. It's a Sama.
She's one of the hardest working people I know. She puts her all into every single thing she does. She is a pure and beautiful soul who's always willing to help when she can. She is never afraid to tell you how it is. We had a talk recently where she kind of put my priorities in check.
We did.
And
we really did.
Things have been a lot better since that talk. She's the big sister I never had. And I hope to one day become as resilient, as hardworking, and as patient as she is. And she is Sarah Al-Haji.
I wasn't expecting that. Apparently I've had an impact on people, but I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna cry. This is so embarrassing. Oh. I love it.
He's so good. That's so lovely.
I mean, it's nice to see how people see you from the outside, because I'm definitely not that cool inside.
والله كتير حلو الفيديو. Thank you.
Thank you.
That means a lot. Thank you guys.
And they're my team and I love them and I want to help them as much as possible. You have to keep the spirit up, you have to be positive. You can't get clouded by negativity. And I'd do anything to support them and help the team.
الشيء سمعته شيء رائع جدا فوق الوصف، وإحساس كثير حلو لما تسمع شخص يحس باللي أنت تمر به، بالقوة الموجودة بداخلك، بالعطاء، وبالنسبة إلي ينظر لك كمنبع إلهام. شيء جدا رائع أكثر مما حتى أقدر أوصفه.
Now we should put some emotional music.